this video, I am going to tell you how to delete apps in LG TV. For this, you need to go to the you need to click on the smart button on your TV, and you will get all these apps. You can see this is the installed app: Jio Cinema, Hotstar, Netflix. These are the installed app, and you can see at the last you can see there's a pencil is showing edit apps option list. So just tap on this option, and herein you can see this is the delete button above every app. You can just need to delete this button, and the app will get deleted. For example, I will delete this Alexa app for you. So I will just delete this Apple TV app for you. You can see there is a delete button, and I will just press on this and make sure to confirm it. Are you sure you want to delete Apple TV app? Click on yes, and this app is now deleted. So by doing these steps, you can delete the apps one by one. You need to delete apps. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. And if you face any problems, you can comment below, and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for the new videos.